Holy crap. This whole car is totally destroyed. Oh my god, I think this is the door maybe? Yeah. That's the side of the door in the back of the car. And then a rug from somewhere. Oh my god, I don't even know what this cord is to. Look at that. Oh, and then this, favorite part. Little light, still on. Broken. Oh my god. This is absolutely destroyed. Close that. And let's go in here. Yeah, this is even worse. This is another door. That's the seat. Seat. Yeah, roof. Yeah, the bear basically destroyed our whole car. Like, up there, over there. Look at that. The door is missing. Like, or the door isn't missing, but the door thing is missing. That's probably what we saw in the back. Now, there's that. And then, oh, there's another light that's right there. Look at that. Right there. Okay. Now I've seen enough of this. Let's close this door. Let's open this one. Oh my god. This is destroyed. And then look at this. Poop stains. I think it's a little poop smear from the bear. This is like destroyed though. It's like all of that. Just all of that. Oh, here's the door. The door is destroyed. What else? Okay, I think we're done here. And let's go around the car. And let's open up the driver's door. And basically the same as the passenger's door. This is all destroyed. I think this is from the door. That's a steering wheel where the bear like ate it. Oh, here's the poop again. That is disgusting. Well, then there's the mirror. I want to know like what. No, I think that's still working. And here's a sunroof. Just everything is destroyed. Oh my god. Oh. And there's that. Pedals seem to be fine. Well, let's close this door up. Oh. And then open this door. Yeah, this is the door that we saw before. Destroyed. There's a side of the door. Here's this. All that stuff. Here's that door again. Yeah. Let's see, is there anything under the seats? No, not really. Now let's see what's in the back. Back is basically fine. Except for, oh, it's all ripping down. I don't know, everything's destroyed. Oh, this light's still here. Yeah, let's see if it... Oh, it is still on. How does that happen? I don't know. Well, so that is my car. Thanks. Okay, so we're now gonna see, we're coming down to my car. We're gonna see if it starts after a bear attack. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, and it starts. Goodness. The car is destroyed and it starts. Okay.